Hi, Maria Alejandra.
Hi, lady.
Can you tell me about yourself?
My name is Alejandra Pastrana. I am 26 years old. I'm from Tesalia, Huila, and I am currently studying for a degree in children pedagogy. My marital status is single. I am responsible, disciplined, ordained person while I love vacation and love for my care. My hobbies are reading, swim, exercise, and sharing with my friends. Regarding for experience, I worked a year in children's home. I teaching at 16.
What are your strengths?
My strong point are didactics and innovation to teach the class science. I love teaching. I do very well on mathematics, logic, and computer sciences.
What are your weaknesses?
One weekend is English. I'm not very familiar with and grammatical rules and highlight difficult my pronunciation.
What's your biggest achievement in life?
My great achievement in life will be to be how I successfully complete my career and graduate in order to teach myself to teaching my children and growing professional. In addition to that, I would like to continue studying and prepare myself with master degree and with no teeth about complaint and doctorate.
Where do you see yourself in 5 years?
In 5 years, I plan to work at the prestigious school and have completed my master degree in education.
Why do you want to leave job?
Not really late. I was in interpreting teaching for the work contract and now I want to be part of the wonderful institutions.
Why do you want to work for us?
I want to work with because your prestigious institution recognized at the department live with a long history in education. I want to be part of the great working group and contribute all my own and favor the comprehensive education of children.
What are your salary expectations?
My salary expectations are with 1,500,000 and 2 million.
Thank you.
Thank you. Hello, lady.
Hello, Maria Alejandra.
Can you tell me about yourself?
My name is Leidy Garcia Perez. I am 20 years old. I am from Dolores, Tolima, Colombia. I live with my parents in Dolores, Tolima. I am a student of the UNAD. I am studying psychology. My hobby is read and my favorite sport is football.
What are your strengths?
My strength is dedication and flexibility.
What are your weaknesses?
My weaknesses, but modern and inferior, are complex.
What your biggest achievement in life?
My higher achievement is study psychology.
Where do you see yourself in 5 years?
I see myself professional, help our country.
Why do you want to leave your home?
I want to grow as professional.
Why do you want to work for youth?
I want to work with you because it is a hope committed to your activities.
What Are you salary expectative?
I prefer not give a specific mode. Thank you.
Thank you, lady.